Have you ever wondered what makes the internet tick? It's not magic, but network administration, like an invisible conductor orchestrating a harmonious symphony, network administration ensures the seamless operation of the internet, making it possible for you to stream, surf, and connect. It's the unsung hero behind every click, every like, every share. It's the reason why you can connect with people halfway across the globe in an instant. In the next few minutes, we will take a journey into the world of network administration. So what exactly is network administration? Well, in its simplest form, network administration is the process of managing and maintaining a network's operations. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring each instrument, or in our case, each device, is playing in harmony and delivering a seamless performance. Network administration encompasses a variety of tasks, from setting up and configuring network hardware and software, to monitoring the network for potential issues and troubleshooting them before they cause major disruptions. But it's not just about maintaining the status quo. Network administrators also play a vital role in optimizing network performance, implementing new technologies, and planning for future growth. Now, why is network administration so important? Picture this. Every email sent, every video streamed, every file downloaded, every web page visited, all of these actions rely on the smooth operation of a network. In essence, network administration is the backbone of our modern communication and data exchange. It's what keeps our digital world spinning round the clock, enabling businesses to operate, students to learn, and people to stay connected. Imagine a world without network administration. Our daily digital interactions would descend into chaos. Emails wouldn't reach their destination, video calls would freeze, websites would crash. It would be like trying to navigate a city without traffic lights. Without network administration, our daily digital interactions would be a chaos. So let's delve deeper into this fascinating field and uncover the tools network administrators use to keep our digital lives running smoothly. What tools does a network administrator use to keep things running smoothly? A great question indeed, and one we're about to answer. When it comes to network administration, there's a vast array of software and tools that aid in the smooth operation of a network. Let's delve into some of the essential ones. Firstly, network monitoring tools are the eyes and ears of a network administrator. They continuously track network performance, identifying any potential issues or bottlenecks before they escalate into serious problems. Software like SolarWinds and Nagios offer real-time monitoring and alerting, providing crucial insights into the health of the network. Then we have security software. In our interconnected world, network security is paramount. Firewalls serve as the first line of defense, blocking unauthorized access while permitting authorized communications. Antivirus and anti-malware software like Bitdefender or Norton protect the network from malicious software, while intrusion detection systems like Snort monitor network traffic for suspicious activity. But what happens when something goes wrong? That's when data backup systems come into play. These tools safeguard critical data by creating copies that can be restored in the event of data loss or corruption. Tools like VM Backup and Acronis Cyber Backup offer robust solutions to ensure data integrity. And let's not forget about the software that helps with network configuration and management. Tools like Cisco Packet Tracer and Manage Engine Network Configuration Manager enable administrators to design, test, and alter network configurations, ensuring optimal performance. Lastly, remote access tools such as TeamViewer and remote desktop services provide network administrators the ability to access and control devices remotely. This is especially useful for troubleshooting issues or performing updates without being physically present. So, there you have it, from monitoring and security to data backup and remote access. These are the key tools that help network administrators keep their networks humming. Armed with these tools, a network administrator can troubleshoot problems, secure the network, and ensure data integrity. What does a typical day for a network administrator look like? Well, it's a blend of routine tasks and unexpected challenges, often as unpredictable as the weather. Picture this. The day begins with a cup of coffee and a check of the network's overall health. This involves monitoring the system for any unusual activity, assessing network performance, and ensuring everything is running smoothly. It's like a morning jog, a routine to get the heart, or in this case, the network pumping. But then, just as the day warms up, a report comes in. A network outage in one part of the organization. Like a detective, the network administrator starts troubleshooting, tracing the issue back to its source. It could be a faulty piece of hardware, a software glitch, or even a rogue device causing the disruption. The thrill of the chase is part of the job, and finding a solution brings a sense of accomplishment. The day continues with optimizing the network's performance. This could mean rerouting traffic for efficiency, upgrading systems for better capacity, or tweaking settings for faster speeds. It's like tuning a high-performance car, making sure it's ready for the race. And of course, the network administrator is always on guard against threats. They're the gatekeeper, securing the network from potential attacks and ensuring data stays safe and sound. From sunrise to sunset, a network administrator is the guardian of the network. So, what have we learned about network administration today? Well, we've uncovered that the internet, this vast, omnipresent entity we use every day, thrives on a complex, intricate system of networks. This system, often dubbed as the backbone of communication, is the lifeblood of our digital world, enabling us to connect, interact, and share information instantly, irrespective of geographical boundaries. At the heart of this system is the unsung hero, the network administrator. With a toolkit brimming with a range of software and hardware solutions, they work tirelessly to ensure the smooth, seamless operation of these networks. From managing network traffic to ensuring data security, their role is pivotal to the functioning of the internet. The day-to-day tasks of a network administrator may vary, but their objective remains constant: to keep the network up and running efficiently. They don the hats of troubleshooters, system analysts, and security experts, often all at the same time. Their work often goes unnoticed, but without them, our digital lives would be at a standstill. So, the next time you send an email, stream a video, or make a video call, remember there's a network administrator somewhere ensuring that data gets from point A to point B without a hitch. Network administration, while often unseen, is a critical component of our modern digital world.